Hi, I'm Sarah and welcome back to my channel. It's November! This is one of my most favorite months. Let me show you why.
Hey, did you get the turkey bait? Oh my God! Oh my God! Who is that?
It's Joey.
What are you doing? Is this supposed to be funny?
No, it's not supposed to be funny. It's supposed to be scary.
Get that off now!
I can't. It's stuck.
Well, I don't care that turkey has to feed 20 people at my parents' house and they're not going to eat it off your head!
Hold on, okay? Let's just all think.
Come on, who doesn't love that Friends clip? Everybody! Let me tell you about what you're going to get with our fabulous new starter kit this month. I know you all want to snag one of these fabulous starter kits up. We're going to explain this bad boy in a bit. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it sexy? You're going to get good hydrations. This is your in-shower lotion. Your in-shower lotion means that you can put it on right before you get out of the shower because your pores are open. It will leave you nice and hydrated rather than itchy and dry. And it smells like lavender. Bonus! This is our fabulous non-greasy hand cream in a candy, blackberry, and jasmine scent. Delicious. Where you been all my life? Get it? Where you been all my life? This is our coffee soap. Not only do you get coffee on the inside, but you get coffee on the outside. Eating this is not recommended. It's a little exfoliating with the coffee in it, and it's oh so fabulous. Yes! Fresh Creamy Milk is our shea-based body butter. It's filled with moisturizing shea, dehydrated milk, and bamboo extract. Make sure that you get super hydrated during these winter months. You can cackle while you spackle and spackle while you cackle. It's really your decision. This is our #1 selling charcoal face mask. I love it because it pulls everything out of my pores. It deep cleans. The bonus is it's not a peel off. You know, like those peel off masks that you totally go and look at on Facebook and YouTube and laugh at because it's peeling their face off. Literally. Our #1 selling soap, Gender Bender Charcoal Deep Clean, does not discriminate. It pulls everything out of your pores. You can go head to toe. I have everybody from mechanics to acne-prone teenage boys to girls that ride horses and everybody in between that snatch up this chunk from me. It leaves you squeaky clean and it made BuzzFeed. Our super hydrating thick hand cream that doesn't have a fragrance. It's great for those of you in the medical industry that can't have overpowering fragrances. It helps with aging spots of your hands because nobody wants to have grandmother hands. I mean, the more I keep looking at my hands, the more I think they look like my grandmother's. You'll get 3 of our best skin sticks. The healer's good for everything. You got chapped lips? Use the healer. You got that soreness after being super sick? Use the healer. Tattoos? Use the healer. A baby's butt? Use the healers. But I would not recommend putting it on your lips after that. That's just gross. The purifier is filled with tea tree and eucalyptus. It's great for opening you up when you're congested. It's great for mattifying your oil, and it's really good for those acne spots. Also, as a bonus, some people don't get bit up by bugs when they put this on. Go purifier, woo! The Sleepy Sleep Stick, chock full of lavender. I call this Dear God Go to Bed Stick. You rub it on your chest, rub it underneath the nose, on your kids, put it on their feet, and you'll be like, please go to sleep, please go to sleep, please go to sleep, please go to sleep. Keeping with our lavender theme, you'll get a fizzy bath bomb. Lavender, of course. This you can throw in your tub like that. It will leave you feeling super soft with salt from the Great Salt Lake, the Dead Sea, and shea and coconut oils. Don't have a bath? Here's a tip. Put it in your car to make your car smell good, or put it in your sock drawers. Then all your socks will smell uber good. Last but not least, we have the BFF. Our BFF is our most magical exfoliating face wash. Okay, I say it's magical. This is filled with grapefruit and peppermint essential oils. So it's going to leave your face exfoliating with a natural sugar bead, and it's not going to dry your face out. In fact, It's our #1 selling face wash. I can't go anywhere without it. This is over $250 in product. That's crazy. Plus, you'll get tools, you get training, you get good stuff. But wait, there's more. 300 random consultants will get one of these sharp-looking bags. Look at that. Plenty of space to carry everything in. You even got spots to carry skin sticks in the top. Now, you're ready to posh. You'll also get a whole bunch of samples to hand out to your friends. Who doesn't want to share the love with their friends? Everything will come in these cute little bags. You'll get products for you, products for your business, and products to hook others on. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Hooking others on. Hooking. As a bonus, if you complete your 15 days of Quick Start, we're not going to get into that now, but ask your sponsor for details. You'll get a stripper. Bow chicka bow wow. Not that kind of stripper. This is our deep clean mud charcoal mask. It will strip all the yuckiness out of you. I have my kids put it on their feet because boy, your sponsor will tell you what the 15-day Quick Start is. As a consultant, you'll also get a bonus mask. The Ritual. Don't worry, this comes in a tube now. The Ritual is our pink fabulous mask that is deep cleaning and only for consultants. You can only get it if you're a consultant. Well, I lied. You can get it this month. Add 2 of your friends to your team. Then you'll get another one. And trust me, you need more than one. All right. Well, that's all for November. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video. You can find all my social media down there below to where you can follow me. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message, drop a comment below, or email me, harass me on Facebook, harass me on Instagram, all of the above. Meanwhile, I got my backpack filled on and I got a lot to do this month. Time's a-wasting. Bye.